Summer's coming, and if you're traveling with a camera, you know the dilemma. A real tripod's too bulky to carry, but a tiny one can't do the job. I've been testing a tripod that might solve that. The Neewer LT39. For $250 you're getting carbon fiber and a weight of less than 3 pounds. Folded down, it is compact enough to clip to your camera bag without getting in the way. The leg buckles are metal, not plastic, and you can swap the center column to shoot at ground level. It also comes with a panoramic ball head, which I have some thoughts on. Let's put it to the test. Quick note before we dig in, Neewer sent me this tripod to test, but I'm not being paid for the review. There are affiliate links in the description if you want to check the current price. When I'm on holidays, when I have the time and creative energy to try new things. But carrying my regular tripod is a pain, and I often end up regretting it. On the other hand, I've done documentary work in Kenya using just a table tripod, and that really limits what you can shoot. I'm excited about this one because it's light and portable enough to bring anywhere, but it still feels like a proper tripod when you're using it. And even though I won't be traveling much this summer with a newborn at home, I've still been putting it through the paces in the studio. There are cheaper options out there, but carbon fiber is non-negotiable for me. I've been shooting for 15 years and it's always been my material of choice. It keeps the tripod light without sacrificing sturdiness. The payload is around 22 pounds or 10 kilograms, way more than you'd need for full-frame cameras, and it gives you flexibility if you want to rig them out. The center column even includes a hook where you can hang your camera bag for extra stability, and that's exactly how I'd put the 10 kilograms to the test, because you wouldn't believe how heavy my bag gets once I add flashes, video lights, and a laptop. The center column gives you an extra 25 centimeters, about 10 inches of height. And we all know that even if it is not the most stable option, it's much quicker than adjusting all three legs. And it's what we end up reaching for when we need a quick shot. On top of that, the center column can be inverted for low-angle shots, and it can also be swapped for a shorter one that comes in the box. The legs are worth a mention too. When I bought my main tripod, I was told to get twist locks for durability. They were right, but nobody warned me what a drag it would be to spend the next 15 years using those screws. This clamp mechanism is far less of a hassle. I can't vouch for its longevity since the tripod is brand new, but the clamps are metal and feel solid. Now, with any ball head, there's a balance between size, weight, and functionality. And this one is a really clever solution. It uses a quick release plate system that is compatible with my Falcon F38, which I use across all my gear. So that's a huge plus for me. The only thing I don't love is that when the plate is locked in, there's still a little wiggle room every time you need to tighten an extra wheel to lock it in. These days I shoot video as much as photography, which is why I bought a 3-way tripod head for my main tripod. But if I'm honest with you, I do zero panning or tilting with it. A fixed position is all I use for my videos. So this panoramic head is more than enough for both my photo and video needs. It has fluid horizontal panning, and it rotates 90 degrees so you can shoot vertically for reels or stills on social media. The tripod also comes with a couple of extras. First, a carrying case to keep it safe while traveling. I'm not sure I'll use it. I like my tripod to look like it's been through a few battles. There's also a phone holder. You can screw it onto the top of the ball head to shoot with your phone. Or you can attach it on the side to use your phone as a video monitor, record a second angle, or grab some behind the scenes footage. So, where does that leave us? After trying it for a while, I can definitely recommend the LT39. The carbon fiber build means it doesn't add much weight to my bag, but when you set it up, there's nothing flimsy about it. The metal clamps are a joy to use, and the whole thing feels like it was made to last. For around $250 you're getting a compact tripod, a useful payload, and a ball head that does the job well. This is the rare bit of gear where light and portable doesn't mean a compromise on quality. And it's the kind of product I'd happily put my money into. I'll leave affiliate links down in the description. Neewer runs promotions pretty often, and they tend to be very hard to resist, so it's worth a look. If this was useful, hit subscribe, and if you're into flash photography, check out my review of the Neewer Q120. I tested it at our baby shower, and I tried out whether it's a good idea to mix Neewer and Godox flashes in the same session. See you in the next one.